My name's Omri, and this is my forest that I live in, and I'm excited for you to be here. Well, let's come on and I'll show you around. Welcome to my living space. This is my yurt. Moved in after my ex-wife left me. You know, it's nothing special, just, you know, 3-bed, 2-bath. Nothing too fancy. You know, my ex-wife had me spoiled. But, you know, just making do with what I can. My kids don't call me. Anyway, nothing too crazy. You know. Key to surviving out in nature. Sinners. It is always being aware of your surroundings. Janet could be anywhere. And watch out for Janet. Whoa! Ow. Oh! Janet! Oh! Mushrooms! Oh! 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 Alright, let's try. Sean, are these mushrooms safe to eat?
I think so.
Nice. This is disgusting. Anyway, I've been around here for a few years. Got 8 types of dirt. Red dirt, black dirt. Don't eat the black dirt. It gives you more diarrhea than the yellow dirt. The green dirt gives you a little bit less diarrhea than the red dirt, but I prefer the dark brown dirt myself. Black dirt, red dirt, yellow dirt, brown slug.
What is it?
Smell that, John?
No. What is it?
Janet was here.
Janet was here.
This way. Sinners. Janet was here. She's very close. Janet was here. I'm hungry. Janet was. Janet. Sinners. Janet. Janet. Nothing is as it seems.
Nothing is as it seems. Nothing is as it seems.
Janet. I don't know why Janet left me. Janet! She took my we in the custody battle. Janet. Janet.